Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Paradise and hell argued before their Lord Jalla Jalaluhu. Paradise submitted, O Lord, what is the matter with me, that none but the weak and lowly in the society will enter me? And hell said, I have been made exclusive only for the arrogants. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu thereupon said to Paradise, You are my mercy, and said to hell, You are my torment. So by you I will torment those of my bondsmen whom I please, and for each of you is a fixed fill. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, As for paradise, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will not wrong any of his creatures, and he will create for the fire whatever he Jalla Jalaluhu pleases. Then they will be cast into it. But hell will say, Is there any more? It will say it thrice, until Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will put his foot in it. It will thereupon get filled, and some of its parts will compress against one another. It will then say, Enough, enough, enough. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7449.